Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to capture a screenshot on your MacBook Neo. So there are three different ways to capture a screenshot on your MacBook. All of them are using shortcuts, and the first shortcut for a screenshot is Command, Shift, and 3. So if you press these three buttons at the same time, the instant screenshot of the entire screen of your MacBook will be taken and automatically saved on your desktop. You will also see a preview in a notification in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you press Command, Shift, and 4, then your mouse pointer will change into a crosshair, which you'll be able to use to select an area of your screen that you want to capture. This way you can select anything on your screen like this, and the screenshot of this area will be taken. And you'll also see a notification in the bottom right corner of your laptop. Now, if you select Command, Shift, and 5 at the same time, it will open a toolbar where you'll be able to choose a screenshot mode. And here we have Capture Entire Screen option, which is the alternative for Command, Shift, 3. Capture Selected Window, which is the new feature. And if you select this feature, then you'll be able to capture either an entire screen or basically any window that you have on your laptop, and the screenshot of this window exclusively will be taken. And the third option that we have on our toolbar is the selected portion, which will create a selection on our screen that will be able to resize and reshape by dragging the sides and the corners of the selection. And once you're ready to take a screenshot, click Capture. And as you can see, all the screenshots that we took are visible right here on our home screen or our desktop. Here is the first one, and here we have the second one. Here we have the window screenshot, and the last one that we took. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.